You might have been served with an ad at the beginning of this video. Well, that's because your boy is finally monetized, and I did it in 24 hours. I'll explain how it happened and how you can also do it. And by the way, I'll also be sharing with you how you can speed up the process. We've got to talk about Google AdSense and some tips that I picked up along the way. So buckle up, fam. First of all, let's get the monetization requirements out of the way. For you to get fully monetized on YouTube, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of public watch time within the past 365 days, or 10 million views on shorts. However, YouTube has rolled out partial monetization, and you can apply for that with just 500 subscribers and at least 3 public videos in the last 90 days with a minimum of 3,000 watch hours or 3 million views on shorts. With partial monetization, your channel won't be able to make money through AdSense, but you'll get benefits like enabling tipping options via super chats, super thanks, and super stickers. After meeting these requirements, you're gonna have to have a Google AdSense account. If you don't have an AdSense account, then you have to create one. Now that that's out of the way, let's talk about my short journey to monetization. This channel began in 2014, had videos posted, and I later on deleted and left the channel. After a couple of years, I started posting again, but very regularly. I'd post like 3 videos a year, then get 7 views only. I had my music career to take care of, multiple degrees to complete, work, and also take care of my business. I just didn't have time for YouTube. But this year, I decided to return to YouTube, and my goal was to gain monetization within the first 30 days. This is because I was tired of working to support my music career and studies. So after completing my studies last month, I knew I didn't want to look for a full-time 9-to-5 job again. So I sat down and put a business plan in place, and then I started studying other YouTubers. You might say, well, Tony, you're a video or film director. Making videos is so simple for you, which is not far from the truth. It's easy for me to create great videos using high-quality cameras, microphones, and lights. But making a good video is one thing, and making a good video specifically for YouTube is another thing. I had no idea about the latter, so I consumed enough YouTube advice while taking down notes, then decided to come up with a few topics that I could make videos on. I planned several videos and showed them, but I was so unsure which one would be the best video to start with. Then one day while in studio, I was doing a sound check for a podcast, but I had no idea that the camera was recording. I didn't have any form of good lighting or anything. It was just lights from the bulb in the recording booth. I later on came across the footage in one of my SD cards and decided to post it. I didn't edit anything apart from cutting the beginning and the end of the videos. The video got like 4 views within the first hour. I knew it was just another of my usual always flopping videos. I got back to work. Then I logged into my email about 6 hours after posting the video and came across 14 comments from my YouTube channel. I was so shocked. I checked out the channel only to find out that the video had gained about 1,500 views with almost 100 likes and 34 new subscribers. I couldn't believe it. I went home that day feeling super excited. I kept refreshing the analytics page, and every time I did it, the views were increasing. They were going up. I woke up the following day to about 5,000 views and about 400 new subscribers. I went to the studio, and in the evening I had already hit 1,000 subs. I also had over 10k views. The video was exploding. I know. I said I got monetized within 24 hours. And according to my story, 24 hours are already gone. But I'll get back to that in a minute. 3 days after posting this video, I hit the required amount of watch time and subscribers to apply for monetization. It will usually take up to 1 month for your channel to get reviewed and monetized, but mine took only 24 hours to be reviewed and monetized. Part of this is because I already had an active AdSense account and I had set up everything in my channel. The only thing that was lacking was the subscriber count and the watch time. If you haven't done this, do it right now as you wait to hit the required numbers. If you really want to do this YouTube thing, just follow the advice from successful YouTubers and keep posting. You never know, the simplest video that I ever made with zero editing and color grading is the one that has gotten me monetized right now. It's not the videos that I made with fancy cameras or the ones with the greatest editing techniques. It's the simplest one of them all. It can also happen to you. Keep your head high and continue grinding. If you got value from this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. You can also check any of these videos, the one that you find interesting, and then I'll see you in the next one. Blessings.